Yes. You like being on the edge? That is a huge rock.
I'm a collector.
Is that one of your friends?
This one's gonna be my friend. All of those is gonna be my Swimmy's my
Okay.
pet.
Okay, this is gonna be your pet.
Swimmy's my pet.
Oh, Swimmy is your pet. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's her rock friends. This is not too far off. You know, we call them ancestors. We call the rocks ancestors. So she said they are her friends. So yeah, she got it right. It's funny. People don't believe, or they walk around on these rocks. They walk around in nature. They embrace its beauty. We got here. It's a Saturday morning. There's so many people on this mountain, and just the amount of people that explore these lands and don't even know what they're exploring. You know, it's like this land has history. It has, the rocks tell a story. The rocks give us information about all that has happened. The rocks see things that we don't see, that we haven't seen necessarily. Our ancestors might have seen it, right? So the rocks are filled with the spirits of our ancestors.
Can you come with me?
Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you trying to do? Here. Okay. She wants to get the rock. You got it? All right, come on back up. You want to grab this? Grab it. Hold on to it for balance. You can hold on to it. It's not going to fall. Hold on to the...
Okay. I just don't need it.
Oh, you don't need it? Okay, it's fine. You don't need that?
No.
All right.
Mommy.
Yes, my darling. Oh, ooh, okay. That's smooth. Hold it up like this. But yeah, the ancestors give us so much wisdom along the way, and we just spit in their faces when we litter and when we, you know, just don't take time to take care of what we've been gifted. You know, when it talked about, you know, in certain spiritual systems and religions about, Ashala, please come back over here. What you trying to do? If you want that, go around. Look, come here. You see that? You see the tree right there? You can go down and come up. Go down, this tree. The tree at the bottom. This tree, yeah, this tree right here. You see the tree behind you? Turn around. Right there. No. You keep missing the tree, girl. Yes, that tree. Good job. That tree. Go around it. Go down. Go down. The other way. Yes, that way. Keep going. Ashala, when you get done, go around. Like ring. All right, you can go back up and get your rock. Yes. See? Isn't that better? Okay. And that's kind of how the ancestors be guiding us for real. Like, if we're really listening, if we're really in tune, and people like to separate the ancestors from the divine, and the divine is within everything, all that there is and all that there is not. How can we exclude something so beautiful such as nature from the divine? It amazes me how we can just dismiss what has been placed here for us to benefit from, to embrace, to feed us, to give life, to sustain life, rather, you know? And what makes you think that's not divine? What makes you think it's worth separating? It's not. It's all here for us. And we are being guided in ways that a lot of us may never know or understand. I got out here, I brought my tongue drum out here, and I was like, okay. I didn't have I just brought it. My sound bowls are in the car. It was the easiest thing to grab. And actually, I might do is play a little bit before the video is over. But there is this. You know what? I'm gonna play it while I'm talking. That's what I'm gonna do. I should have brought my camera holder. Now we're gonna use my beautiful staff. Oh, girl, that's heavy. That's uh-oh. Be careful. Yes, my love.
What's up there?
What's up where?
On that huge mountain.
You want to go up there?
Yes, but how do I get up there?
We'll go up there. Give me a second.
Jump, 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 jump.
I'm just gonna play it.
How shimmy. That's right
You better grab that before the wind blows it. Put the rocks over it. That is a very big rock.
I want this. Can I have it?
Who gonna carry that?
I am.
Where you gonna carry that with? You gonna put it in this bag?
No.
You can take this bag. You can put it in the bag. You want to put it in the bag?
Yeah, I'm put all of stuff down in the back.
It's a heavy bag. I mean, the rocks are going to be all right, you got it. You know what? They're going to be light as a feather for you. That's what they're going to be. You got to think of them as light as a feather. Okay. You were quick to get rid of the heavy stuff, the baggage. I love that. I hope you keep that. I hope you keep that going, girl. Get rid of what don't serve you. Them thoughts that don't serve you. What I was going to say earlier was the dominion that the spiritual systems.
Mom,
Yes.
Can you put this in your bag?
You could put it in the bag, baby, sure. The dominion, baby. The bag, I don't have a bag. Put it in your bag with the rocks. This bag is for the tongue drum. You trying to put that in the bag with the tongue drum? Put it in that bag. With your friends. Put it with your friends. That's your pet, right? Let it hang with your friends. Okay. We've been given dominion over our minds. We've been blessed to be able to care for the land and collaborate with the land. We don't have dominion over the land. If we had dominion over the land, if we had dominion over the physical of what we're seeing, this reality of this land, this earth, if we had dominion over it, tsunamis and hurricanes wouldn't take out whole countries, wouldn't take out whole tectonic plates wouldn't have to move to form earthquakes and that cause super destruction like that. You can't beat. Tell me that you have dominion over that. No. Nature will collaborate with you as long as you are aware that it's a collaboration. When you forget, and that's all this whole, everybody got money, they want to do real estate and all that stuff, good, fine and dandy, right? But listen, realize that there comes a point where it becomes destruction because you're just expanding buildings, and you're just tearing down all of the land, all of the trees. The land, it's only so much land available. So when we just out here, we're just filling the spaces until, if we keep going at this rate, there's going to be no more land to fill space. And there's so many places where there are dilapidated buildings and things of that nature. And it's like, why aren't we repurposing those things? Why do we have to continue to just, we forget about what's old, and we just want new. And the ancestors are saying, like, don't forget about us, you know? You want to call us old and say that we no longer are relevant? Please. We own this land, and it's not in a sense of ownership as in we own it as in it's ours, but we own it as in we are one with the land. What? But ownership, we don't. What's up? Uh-oh, the bag ripped. You put, here, come here. This is what we're gonna do. Well, I want to put it in the hole. Yeah, like this. Yeah, we could do that. You're so smart, girl. And we could just twist this up like this and tie this up. But you gotta hold it with your hands now.
Mommy, you want to see this?
Here, hold this. You gotta hold both rocks. Yeah, like that. You wanna wrap your head around it? Or you wanna... Okay, you got it?
Just hold it.
Here. Put it on there, okay? You ready to go up the mountain? You ready to go up the mountain? Okay. Well, we're gonna go ahead and end this transmission. I just wanted to share what was coming at this moment, and I'm sure the ancestors are never finished with us. I'm sure the divine is never finished with us. Pretty sure of that. So on this day, I ask that you keep going and keep an ear out for the divine, and remember, evil begets evil. And if you are operating with people that operate with evil thoughts, then that becomes you. And so I choose to operate with that which is, you know, pure, egoless, and that is the land. And that helps me to stay grounded. It helps me to it reminds me of who I am. And just by the mere observation of nature, of viewing nature as is, you could find out so much about yourself. My love, my love, my love. Where are you going with that, rock? Where you going, baby? Okay. Come on back around here. Thank you very much. All right. Come on. Here. Put your jacket. Let me tie your jacket around your waist. What are you doing with that? Yeah.
Ow! Bite!
All right, y'all.
Still owl.
Peace.
You're the heaviest one.